Hello everyone, let's talk about server memory. Upgrading your server's RAM is one of the most impactful things you can do to boost performance. And today we're looking at a serious contender, the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR5 RDIMM. This isn't your average desktop memory. This is ECC registered server memory, designed for demanding workloads in NAS devices, servers, and workstations. We're talking about a single 128GB stick operating at 4,800 MHz with a PC 5-38400 rating. It's a 4RX4 configuration running at a cool 1.1V with a CL40 latency. Now, why choose NEMIX RAM? First off, they specialize in enterprise storage RAM. They aren't just throwing any old memory together. They focus on high-quality components built for stability and reliability. This is crucial for servers that need to run 24/7 without hiccups. The benefits of upgrading to this much RAM are significant. Imagine faster data processing, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle more virtual machines or demanding applications without breaking a sweat. For NAS users, this translates to quicker file access and improved streaming performance. For servers, it means handling more users and requests concurrently. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes easy upgrades, but always consult your server or motherboard manual for specific instructions. Make sure your system supports DDR5 RDIMM and the capacity of this module. NEMIX RAM also stands behind their product with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a huge plus. It shows confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. Plus, they offer IT support, which can be invaluable if you run into any issues during installation or operation. While the CL40 latency might not be the absolute lowest on the market, the sheer capacity and stability of this ECC register memory make it a worthwhile trade-off for server applications. ECC registered memory is designed to detect and correct errors, which is critical for maintaining data integrity in demanding environments. If you're looking to maximize the performance and reliability of your server or workstation, the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR5 RDIMM is definitely worth considering. It's a premium option, but the peace of mind and performance gains it offers can be well worth the investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.